Hi, smart kids! Welcome back to my phonics class. Learning phonics is fun! Hi, smart kids! Today we will learn about a letter U sound. U sound. Okay, kids, can you say kids? U sound. Okay, there are some pictures that begin with the letter U and some begin with sound ah. Here are the pictures, my kids. Ah, under. Under. The girl is under the table. The girl is under the table. Okay. Up. Ah, 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 up. Can you put your thumbs up? Thumbs up. Okay. Umbrella. Ah, umbrella. Okay. So, kids, where do you use or what do you use umbrella? Yes, when it is raining or when the sun's shining. So you use a umbrella. Okay, and this is the letter U. U. Okay. I'm sorry. No, it's not U. Yeah. Umpire. The sound. Okay. This is the sounds. Umpire. Okay. Ah ah ah. Upset. Upset. All right. Now. This is the beginning letter U. Okay, you can say unicorn, unicorn. Okay, uniform, uniform. Can you say, kids? Uniform. Yes. Okay, utensils, utensils. All right, it's time for you to guess the picture, smart kids. Okay, are you ready, smart kids, to guess the picture? Yes. All right, now, can you guess, smart kids? Which clothes do you use or do you wear when you go to the school? Which clothes? Yes, uniform. Okay, uniform. So you wear uniform to the school. All right, next slide. Yeah, where is the girl? Smart kid. It is on the chair or it is under the table? Yes, she is under the table. She is under the table. Yes. All right. And next one. This picture. Okay, smart kids. Which picture that begin with sound and you used it when it is raining? So which one is it? Coat, coat, or umbrella? Which one, smart kids? Yes, it is umbrella. Umbrella. All right, kids. Now, can you see these two pictures? Well, what picture that you can see in the kitchen? Which picture? Is it utensils or sofa? Which one, smart kids? Which picture that you can see in the kitchen? You know, right, kitchen? All right, which picture? Yes, utensils. Okay, utensils. Okay, smart kids, that's it for all. Thank you and come again next time. Okay, goodbye.